What's up, Grinches? Tonight we are at the Gaylord Texan, right here in Dallas, Texas, where they are having the ice. That's right, ice sculptures. The theme this year is the Grinch. So you already know we had to come out prepared and see how long we can last.
So I don't have a watch on, so I don't know why I'm doing this, but we're like an hour late to our event because of traffic and some other stuff. I'm curious to see how they do the Grinch here. We've been to the Grinch in Florida. We've been to the Polar Express here in the Gaylord Texan. And now that the Gaylord Texan is doing the Grinch. So I'm curious to see if there's a big difference between the Gaylord in Florida with their Grinch compared to the Grinch here in Gaylord Texan. So let's go find out.
I'm trying to look cute with a beanie, but I feel like I look like the wet bandit.
So it was really crowded back there, but as I was trying to say, if you're not familiar with our videos, one of our very first videos, I think like the second or third one, was the Gaylord Ice. We're huge fans of this event, so this is our second year coming to this. I'm curious to know how this differs from the one in Florida, the Grinch in Florida. Is it bigger? Is there more stuff to do? I mean, this one already has the ice on the blocks, which is the bar inside, which is super freaking cool, which Florida doesn't have. So let's see, Texas, let's see.
There are a few perks that you can get extra if you're staying here at the hotel, the resort. But if you're coming here just for the night to check out the ice event, they have special parking for you, and it's $40 per night. So yeah, $40 per night to park for this event. It might be worth staying a night for the Gaylord just to kind of get a little bit more of the resort and a little less parking as well.
So again, we weren't invited out. We paid with this with our own money. This is our honest review. So, and you already started the timer?
All right, ready? Here we go.
All right, there we go.
Oh. I love the Grinch so much. They had to like drill the ornaments inside of it.
Wow, they did.
I said whoever gave those gifts to their loved ones for Christmas are cold-hearted. Oh my God, what happened to him? His eyes are so scary looking. 14 minutes.
All right, that's pretty good.
And we're at the Ice Block Center now, so we can go get our drink, which won't warm you up though.
Yes, it will.
No.
For the ice on the blocks or on the blocks bar, you're only limited to the mistletoe margarita or the Kringle Old Fashioned.
Yes, thank you so much. So I got the mistletoe margarita. They had the same ones last year. They made them a little strong this go around. Pretty good, actually.
Cool. It's tart, it's fruity, it's sour and a little bit salty. This is a really good margarita. I know I'm making the paste, but it's because it's sour. This is really good, really good. So I got the Kringle Old Fashioned, which is made with bourbon, Fireball cinnamon whiskey, simple syrup, and Angostura bitters. That's crazy. Fireball cinnamon whiskey, solid, super freaking smooth. You don't taste the cinnamon whiskey. Oh yeah, yeah you do. Yeah you do. You taste it. It's solid. This is a really good old fashioned. Solid.
I can't do it. I like the aftertaste of the cinnamon. I can't do the whiskey. I'm a lightweight, guys. I'll stick with my little fruity drink. We've officially been in here 30 minutes.
The site was fun. I mean, we've done this before. I forgot that this one's free. The snow tubing, which is kind of similar to this, is not free. So you can do this as many times as you want, but the line just keeps growing and growing. And yeah, it was fun. You go really fast.
Tahoe Forest, Tahoe Doris, welcome Christmas. Under this. Let's say 30 more seconds and we'll be in an hour.
We've been here an hour. So what is your guys' top time that you've been in one of these? An hour. And we took our time, our 6 week time.
We stopped. I mean, 20 more seconds, so we might as well just stay here and look at the ice for 20 more seconds until an hour.
All right, we've been here an hour.
We made it an hour.
So I think, I don't remember, I gotta look at past videos, but I think every single ice event from the Gaylord, they all have this nativity scene. Am I right? Or
yes, they do.
Even the one in Florida had it too?
Yes, everyone has it.
So it's really cool. So like it says the end and you're done. But so far, every one of them has had this nativity scene, the same nativity scene.
Yeah.
So it takes a good person with craftsmanship and skill to regenerate this entire thing, basically the same way that it's been for the other one. So it's very well replicated. So really fun event. This is awesome. We stay here an hour and we're not even done yet. In addition to the ice show, there's also a scavenger hunt you can do, which we're about to try to, do and see how that goes. We've been here an hour, so let us know how long you've been in here for.
Sorry, we're over an hour in here now. So, from what I can remember from the one we did in Florida, which is still the Grinch in Florida that we went to, I'll link that video below so you can see for yourself. The whole scene looks to be the exact same. Like, they literally make the exact same theme everywhere. So, if you've been to one, you've been to them all, it's the outside activities that they have that seem to be different, but not the ice show. But our whole theme is the Grinch and the Who Hash. I like the Who Hash one. I would actually prefer 2 Who Hashes than the bulb.
Look at the face of the Grinch, this one.
Ew, like, he's so weird.
Baby Grinch, right?
Why
baby
is it
Grinch?
like that?
I think it's Baby Grinch.
Aww.
And I
Baby
guess
Max is cute.
Baby Max?
Yeah.
Is it $20?
Oh my god.
Grinch or
Oh, you can roll it up and it's like a carry thing?
Yeah, and then look, a pillow.
It's $52. Wow.
Oh my god. And then a pillow.
Is there something inside of it?
No, it's like a Squishmallow pillow. It does say Gaylord Texan. Oh, $54. It's not like super lined on the inside either, so they have them in long sleeve t-shirts too. $32.
Oh wow.
That's a little more
It's
reasonable.
a little bit better.
Ooh, that one looks nice too. I like the green, but that's nice. It makes the Grinch pop. Yeah, they're the same price.
So this one's from Ice. How much is this one? $24?
Yeah, 24.
And Aaliyah has this one too. But from Hobby Lobby, which we paid like $5.
I think so, because everything there was like on sale. Right as you walk out of the Ice, that's where they kind of hit you with the theme, the merch that's themed for whatever you just saw. So here's the Grinch. At other ones, it's Charlie Brown, Polar Express. Oh, we actually bought one of the bells from Polar Express last year that they had here at the Texan. But then around the market, as you walk, they have different themes. So they have like Elf on the Shelf. They have like other typical Christmas themed stuff. So pajamas, ornaments. A lot of it is a little pricey, but they have any theme you could possibly think of here.
It looks like it's not ready yet, or either they're re-prepping it for the next group of people to do ice skating.
The one in Texas last year did have the lights outside. You can go through, walk through the lights. It was raining at the time when we went. They don't have that this year, but last year we did go on the tubing, and it's unlimited. You'll get a wristband so you can go on it as many times as you want. We didn't realize that at the time, and so we only went on it once, and then we went about doing other activities.
I don't remember this.
No.
Yeah, this one doesn't have targets.
No, it doesn't. Last year it had little elves that would move and you would knock them down, and then it would tell you if you hit it or not. This is just, you're throwing them in the tube.
I'm kind of glad I didn't pay for this.
Yeah.
I don't want to throw them in a hole. I want to hit targets.
Right. This doesn't really give you much to hit because they're all full of snow already. Oh, wow. Would you ice skate, Aaliyah? No?
Do you want to do it?
I've never ice skated in my life. I used to
either.
go like inline skating all the time when I was younger. Busted my butt many times, but
I can't even rollerblade, so.
this scares me. I don't know if I could do it. And Aaliyah says she wouldn't do it either.
All right, sir, if you're looking for hot chocolate, don't get the hot chocolate inside of the Grinch area. Get it outside at Travelin Tom's Coffee Truck. I'm telling you, you're not gonna regret it. That hot chocolate is freaking amazing.
But get it early because they sell out.
Yes, so don't get inside of Grinch area because that tastes like Swiss Miss meets Wish, and it's disgusting. Get the one inside of there.
By 10, oh, we have less than an hour to do this. We have too many drinks we're carrying to be doing all this. Find the Elf Training Academy to spot the first clue. Go back into your old footage and see which one.
So we have less than an hour to do this scavenger
Oh my
hunt.
God, I feel like this is like the Orlando Informer adult meetup all over again. Rushing with less than an hour to get everything accomplished. Luckily, we know this area pretty well.
I feel like this is now more for us than it is for Aaliyah because Aaliyah's just back there.
She just wants this prize.
She wants a prize, so let's get it done.
Count the number of blocks and match the number with a corresponding word. What the? What? Because I didn't notice him.
So that was stressful. So what you're looking for is the Grinch. All right, what's our time?
We have 20 minutes.
19 minutes.
19 minutes. Oh, 18 minutes now.
Oh my gosh.
So now you take these and put them in the space.
So
we finished it.
We finished it, I think. But we can't give out the answer because that's cheating. So
if you know the Grinch, you know the answer. All right, we
what's
have
the time?
15 minutes.
15 minutes, let's go. Good job, Leah.
So I don't think this scavenger hunt is more difficult than the last one we did last year, but I like that it's themed to what the ice theme is this year. So it's Grinch scavenger hunt. Last year it was just like it was a Charlie Brown one with a Polar Express ice show. But it's so packed here tonight that it's making it difficult to get it in the time frame that we need because we waited to do the scavenger hunt last when now it's packed and everyone is walking out there just enjoying the ambiance. A tip, do it earlier on when it's not as packed.
And it gives you less time to stress.
True.
There goes Aaliyah. That was difficult.
Yes.
Wow.
I was like, wait, the doors are closed. They already closed it?
We did 9:45.
A little
Well,
keychain.
you don't buy this I don't think you can.
We survived last minute.
All right, so they closed the thing at 9:45, so you can't get the actual scavenger hunt. And
You can get your prizes until 10.
that was stressful, man. What time is it?
It is 9:48.
9:49.
9:49 now.
That was stressful, man.
Yeah. If you come here for like the end and you're like, oh, we'll just enjoy our time, they start closing stuff down like early. So definitely recommend getting in here, getting what you want as your priority before they close it down.
I really hope this is just a special gift and not something we can buy at the gift shop. But, I mean, it's free. Is that what matters? And we won.
The Grinch is too happy here in the Gaylord.
That's because in the Gaylord, the story is, it's just him when his heart the 3 sizes.
Oh, that's what I wanted to do.
He's still hurts.
No, I'm saying look how happy he is.
Because he's eating them.
No.
No, he's not.
In the Gaylord.
All right, guys, thank you so much for watching our adventure at the Gaylord Texan Ice for the Grinch. I think we would all agree it definitely has its perks to stay overnight rather than just coming and visiting just for the ice show. Yeah. You have a little more time to enjoy all the activities. You're not as rushed because they don't play. At 10 o'clock at night, everything is shut down.
There's really no difference between the type of ice sculpture events, and it's the same thing. It's the same layout, the same sculpture, so nothing changed. So they all cycle through different events, which are like Rudolph, the Grinch, Charlie Brown,
Polar Express,
and A Christmas Story. So I think there's only 5.
Yeah, I think there's 5.
5.
All right, guys, thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked it, leave a like and comment, and then be sure to subscribe if you haven't already so you can catch our next video.
Thank you guys. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.